Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new, please subscribe. This is a channel for all things makeup, and this is my huge drugstore makeup haul. This is a huge haul for me because I usually don't buy this many products at once, and I spent $109, and this is all on drugstore makeup. It's all drugstore. These are items that were highly recommended from like TikTok, other YouTubers. Some things are new, and so yeah, we're just gonna jump right into my goodie bag. First is this Milani Weekend Brow Pen, microblading brow pen. I've heard really good things about this brow pen from a YouTuber. I believe her name is Andrea, and yeah, so I was like, I'm gonna give this a try. I have some pretty thick natural brows, and I just want something I can feather in a few hairs with. So I've kind of been looking to dive into the whole pen, microblading pens, but I just haven't. And so this is the Weekend Brow Pencil by Milani. It's in the shade medium and it's $8.99. So next is this e.l.f. Flawless Brightening Concealer. I believe this is supposed to be a dupe for the YSL brightening pen. Andrea again was recommending this. This didn't have that many good reviews online, but I figured I can just give it a shot. It was $5, and I feel like with this, you're only going to be touching it in the inner corner and bringing some highlight up here. But yeah, the YSL one is really hyped, so I hope this is good. I've actually never tried the YSL one, but I figured for $5, I can just go ahead and give this a try. And then next is the e.l.f. e.l.f. Putty Bronzer. So the e.l.f. Putty Bronzer was $6. I know that cream products are really starting to become a big hit. I have oily skin, so I don't know how I feel about it, but I figured if I find the right products, maybe they would work for me. And so I heard a lot of hype about these putty bronzers, so I thought I'd give it a try, plus it was only $6. And I'm in the shade Tan Lines. I have it in the shade Tan Lines. I'm not a huge fan of their putty primer, the poreless one, but I know I heard really good things about the matte one, but maybe I'll give it a try. But yeah, I've heard really good things about this bronzer, so I want to try that out. Next, I just filmed a review. I'm actually wearing this right now. It's one of the few products that I already dove into. This is the Milani. This is the Maybelline 4-in-1 Instant Age Rewind Perfector in the shade Fair Light 00. So this is supposed to be a dupe for the Charlotte Tilbury foundation. I've never tried that, so I don't know if it's comparable. But I figure this is super affordable, so I can always give this a try and see if I like it, because there's so many good reviews about it as well, even though this like just came out. And so yeah, I have a first impression. I'm actually wearing this right now, and I'm going to see how it wears throughout the day. And so if you want to see that video, I'll have it linked here, and you can check that out. So this was $13.99. The Milani 4-in-1 Glow was $12.99. And yeah, so we'll see how this turns out. Another product, this is the only other product I dove into, is this Catrice 5-in-a-box mini eyeshadow palette. This actually reminds me a lot of the Natasha Denona palettes. This was only $6, and so I was just really impressed, and I figured I'll just give it a try. And I didn't know the reviews on this. I haven't heard anyone talk about this. I just really like the shades. And yes, I'm wearing this right now, and this is just a flawless palette. The shimmers are so like creamy, literally like fine, oily, creamy, perfect, just glide on. This reminds me a lot of like a bridal selection of shades. And so yeah, I just created this smoky eye that I'm wearing right now. I'm gonna have that tutorial also linked over here that you can go watch. And yeah, this is in the palette Golden Nude Look 010. I want to try out a bunch more of these palettes because these are so good. They remind me a lot of the e.l.f. quads. So next, this is a repurchase. This is the e.l.f. Halo Glow Setting Powder. So, and this is in the shade Light. They now have like a light pink shade, and I almost bought that, but I figured I'm so used to using this, I'm just gonna stick with this. And I cannot get I can't get enough of the fact this is so like finely milled. It's like also like a little bit of luminosity to it, and it's just so good. It says sets makeup and creates a soft focus blurred finish. And under my eyes when I put this there, like it makes such a huge difference. I can't get enough of this. This is probably my fourth one. It's $8. It is just so good, and I'm so happy that I discovered this product and I've seen it. Like, you know, it's like, if you haven't tried this, you need to try it because it's all the hype. And yeah, so I bought another one. And I think I am going to try out the light pink one later because I know that Kylie Jenner's makeup artist, Ariel, he always goes in with a lighter pink just set underneath the eyes. So I highly recommend this if you've never tried it. It's the Halo Glow Setting Powder in the shade Light, and this is $8. So next is this mascara. This is the Essence Lash Princess False Lash Effect Mascara. This has like 1,000 reviews on Ulta. This is very hyped up. I've never tried it, and yeah, I'm really excited to try this out. The only thing I didn't like about it is that when you purchase this, it's just straight up like this. Like there's no other packaging to it, and that you can just unscrew this and just pull out the wand, which I think is a little weird. And the wand is not anything special, so I'm really surprised at how, like, I must see how it is, but you know, it doesn't seem like anything special, but I know that people rave about this, so I'm really excited to try this out. And this mascara is only $5, so yeah. Next, this is an LA Girl Nude Eyeliner Pencil. So I used to use the Milani one, and then my sharpener like broke it, and then it dried up, and so I haven't had one for a while. And I figured I would just give this one a try. I know LA Girl has some pretty good products, and so yeah, I was like, it's a nude eyeliner. It was also only $5, and I figured I would go ahead and give this a try. But I do know that the Rimmel London nude eyeliner is phenomenal. So if this doesn't work out, then I can always go get that one. Next is the Maybelline City Bronzer in the shade 100. Gosh, I can't think of the YouTuber. It was a new YouTuber I discovered who was obsessed with this. She said it blends out amazing and a bunch of other things, and so I like the lighter bronzers because I feel like I'm very heavy-handed, and I'm really obsessed with Seaside by NARS. It's like this. You can tell it's all dirty, and it's also a very light bronze, and I feel like, actually these are nothing alike, but this one's definitely more red tone, but I feel like the lighter bronzers just, you know, like, I don't know. So got this with the intention on thinking it was going to be like Seaside, but they're really not side by side. They're not similar. But yeah, I just heard this blends out like a dream, and this is really good, so I'm excited to check this one out. It's by Maybelline. This was $10. Also, this was sold out online because I was looking online, like reviews and everything. So I'm not wasting my money because I purchased all these products and all my makeup products by myself, but I also have BoxyCharm. BoxyCharm really helps you grow your collection. But anyway, so I was looking online like reviews for this, and they were like sold out. So it must be really good, but it's sold out online. Next is a blush. This is the e.l.f. Primer Infused Blush. Always cheeky for long lasting wear. This is in the shade Always Cheeky. And I just heard some really good things about these. These came out like a while ago, and I always wanted to try them. I believe this was also $6. This is also $6, and it's so up my alley. I love these kind of shades. So yeah, I went ahead and picked this up. So this is the Essence Pure Nude Highlighter. This is $5. This is another super hyped up product on TikTok, YouTube, everything. And so I was like, I'll give this a try. It's supposed to be like really close to the Hourglass. And it's in the shade Be My Highlight. It's $5. I thought I'd give it a try. I prefer blinding highlights, but I feel like highlighting is getting out of style. Like, I don't know if it's just not trending or what, but I feel like everybody has more of a natural glow highlight now. It's not like the blinding highlight like it used to be. But so I figured this is like a really good kind of not blinding highlight looking highlighter, if that made any sense. So yeah, I went ahead and picked this up. There's a few YouTubers I was watching that were like obsessed with this. So this is the HD Liquid Coverage Catrice foundation. This was $11.99. This is in the shade Fair Beige. So I've heard so many things about this. I haven't tried it. Let's see. There's Tati who likes this, a bunch of TikTokers. Andrea likes this, and yeah, it's heavy, so it feels high-end, it looks high-end, so I'm really excited to try this out. And a lot of people have been hyping about this for a really long time, so I'm kind of sad I'm just now getting around to buying it and trying it, but yeah, we'll see. I'm like just now getting around to trying this, and I'm really excited to try it. A lot of people hype this up, and there's a bunch of reviews online. Next is a Catrice True Skin High Coverage Concealer. This is also by Catrice, and this concealer I believe was $7. This concealer was $7. This is in the shade Warm Macadamia. And yeah, so I've heard some really good things about this, seen some really good reviews online, thought I'd try it out. And I thought this was new, but when I was looking up reviews about this, there's like reviews from 9 months ago. So it's not that new. But Tati did just drop a full review of the foundation of this product. And then the foundation at the store was like completely empty. So yeah, interesting. But I heard the concealers are just as good, so I thought I'd give this a try. Then I got this Essence Pencil Sharpener. I got a new sharpener. This is from Essence. My sharpener broke, and this was only like $1.99, and it seems pretty durable. So next is a nude lip liner from LA Girl. It's the Shock Wave, and this is in the shade Gingerbread. LA Girl, I have a few lip liners from them, and they're really good, and so I thought, Shockwave, this is new, I'll give it a try. $4.99. So we'll see how that goes. And next, this is e.l.f. Cookie Lippie Stick. So these have been sold out online. I bought my Colourpop Lippie Sticks years ago, and they've been sold out online, and a lot of Colourpop's like lip products, it's like hit or like online, some are in stock, some aren't, some are, some aren't. And then I swear like my Ulta was not selling these in store, and then all of a sudden I saw them there, and Cookie Matte was a shade I've been dying to try. I guess it's like a really, really nude. So I figured with this new eyeliner and this, I could like wear them together and see how that is. $7. And this has definitely been around for a very long time, the Colourpop Lippie Sticks. And they are also all the hype. And they are for a really good reason. So that's what that looks like. It's pretty nude and matte. Cookie. So yeah, I'm excited to try this out. Actually, I forgot I got this as well. This is a Colourpop lip liner in the shade BFF. Andrea again was saying that Colourpop's lip liners are the best, and they really are. They are really good. And this is in the shade BFF. It's like a nude shade. So yeah, I literally was able to pick up products that are foundation, bronzer, blush, highlighter, eyeliner, brows, eyeshadow, lip liner, mascara, concealer, under eye setting powder, lipstick, foundation, which whatever, but pretty much an entire face of products for only $109. And these are products, majority of them, that are super hyped online. And so yeah, I'm just really excited to try these all out. I love affordable drugstore makeup. So yeah, I'm just really excited to try these out. That completes my Ulta haul. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.